As we were talking in our previous video about our subconscious mind, when it was developed, how it works, and what are the blocks which are actually blocking us from manifesting greater results. Let it be money or health or relationships, whatever it is that you would like to change in your life. Today we will be talking how we can now reprogram it, how we can raise our energy to vibrate on higher frequency, and that will help us to change our life. So stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to AttractPassion. Let's talk about now of our subconscious mind. So how we can now reprogram it if we know somehow a little bit how it works. Truly, I'm trying to simplify those concepts. Those are actually concepts from different scientists, from different studies, which are actually so old now. But as much as we can be aware, that's how much we can change. So when we become more aware, not just what is happening around us, but actually how we are thinking, how we are feeling, and how we are reacting, what kind of habits we have. Because those habits are stored in our subconscious mind, as we were talking, how we are reacting when something unexpected happens to us. Most of the times those reactions are subconscious reactions, emotional reactions. And when we become more aware of those programs, like known patterns in our brain, we can much easier to change them. So let's go on now. If we find out, actually neuroscientists found out, we are just talking about it, if like average people or average human being is spending about 5% of a day in the conscious mind, but 95% in the subconscious program. It means that our program is running our life, and our life is actually a reflection of our subconscious program. And if we want to change whatever we want to change in our lives, we firstly need to change our subconscious program. Somehow we need to reprogram it. And as I'm saying in most of my videos, awareness is the key. Firstly, we need to become aware of our subconscious program, because only that way we can change it, because we can see, okay, this is not serving me, this is not serving me, this is okay, I like that thing about myself, but this is not serving me as well. Those are the things that I want to change. If I don't want to think negatively anymore, how I will change my thoughts, and I will start researching. You know, awareness is the key, becoming aware what we want to change, but then also for what we want to change it, how we want to change it. So let's go on. If our conscious mind is or have this ability to reprogram subconscious mind, at that moment our subconscious mind can actually become a tool for designing our life. So it doesn't sound so bad anymore if we can use our subconscious mind as a powerful tool when it comes to attracting new things. Then we need to learn how to design it. So when it comes to conscious designing of our lives, the first thing that we need to become aware is clear intention. So what is clear intention? Clear intention is clear goal. I mentioned it many times, so for now you probably know what is clear intention. A clear goal, clear desire, or just clear vision of what you truly want. How, for what you want to change certain thing. If you want to think differently or feel differently, how do you want to feel? If you want to manifest something, what exactly you want to manifest? Clear intention, that's it. Then I wrote here certain programs or certain ways how you can reprogram consciously your subconscious mind. And you probably are familiar with I am affirmations. I am affirmations are like I am is the most powerful statement. Whatever is coming after I am is the most powerful word that you are using, I am using, we are using. So what you are saying when you say I am, that's who you are becoming. But when it comes to affirmations, with affirmations we can truly create a change. But we need to understand something here. When it comes to affirmations, most of the times affirmations don't work, not because they are powerless, but because we are not paying enough attention to them. And most of the times they are not going through our subconscious mind. But here is a trick that you can do. If you go into meditation, for example, you are paying your attention just to your breathing for 10 minutes. And when you are becoming better in this awareness, when you're becoming aware of your breathing in meditation, at that moment, your brainwave will go from beta to alpha brainwave frequency. And if you will be staying in that zone, sooner or later you will become so calm and so aware that you will go from alpha to theta brainwave frequency. And theta brainwave frequency is also known as a frequency or a state for reprogramming or redesigning. So now you know that if you will do a meditation where you will totally relax yourself, where you will feel calm, and in that moment, if you will start saying, reading, or listening affirmations, they will go straight to your subconscious mind. And that's why affirmations are truly powerful if you're listening them while you're sleeping or before you go to sleep, because before we go to sleep, automatically we fall into alpha brainwave frequency. And if we still can be aware to not fall into a sleep, so our body will fall into a sleep, but our mind will stay awake, sooner or later we will get into that theta brainwave frequency, and at that moment you are like directly talking with your subconscious mind, and that can be truly powerful. Then meditation. I've explained meditation also here with affirmation. So meditation is another powerful tool, and we can use it also as visualization meditation. And if you want to learn more about it, you can go and check out my video about like how to manifest, how to attract. It's 7 steps of how to do visualization meditation. You can go and try it out or write it down, so you will have all the steps that you need to know about it. So if I explain just shortly, visualization meditation is, again, you go into meditation, you become aware of the space, you calm down, you become aware of your breath. Again, you will go from beta to alpha to theta brainwave frequency, and maybe even deeper. And at that moment, if you start visualizing with your clear intention, you will at that moment start also experiencing emotions, because your body will think that you are already there in that experience. And as we know till now, our emotions are that powerful magnet for attracting the things, results into our life. Okay, so let's go further. Mind movie. Mind movies are again powerful, because mind movies are designed so you can watch your vision in a video, which is amazing. And at the background, sometimes you can read affirmations or you can talk affirmations to yourself. You can make mind movie for yourself if you're able to do it. If not, you can find some mind movies on YouTube. And there are also different programs you can buy, and they will make you a mind movie. So mind movie works the way that you are just watching a movie. For example, you want to manifest a certain house. You're watching that video as you're walking through that house, I don't know, a beautiful house, and then there are affirmations like I'm listening, I have this beautiful house, I'm living in that beautiful house, or whatever it is. So it's designed for more like for people who are not so good in visualization, or who want to be really even more precise about their vision. So it again can be truly powerful. And I wrote here another one, which is energy therapy. It's known for, I think, 3,000 years. And energy therapy is actually based on quantum physics. And what energy therapy can do is actually, when you find out for a certain therapist who is doing energy therapy, they can find within you certain energy blocks, which some people would say blocks in your chakras. Certain chakras are blocked. But you can do it by your own. Again, if you go into meditation, you can just pay attention to your chakras. And when sooner or later, it truly depends of your awareness, how much you can truly become aware of your inner space. But if, let's say, if you're constantly meditating, you're probably more aware also of your inner space. And if you go within yourself and you scan your chakras, it's much easier to find blocks. Maybe you will find a certain emotion which is still blocking you, a certain unsolved relationship, an unsolved conversation, or whatever it can be that is still attaching you to that past event. You can solve it in your meditation. You can go within. Let's say that you have unsolved conversation or something unsolved with your mother. You can go into your meditation and you can visualize that you're talking with your mother, you are hugging her, and like you are exchanging this energy of love, and you're saying like, I'm forgiving you, whatever it is. And with that you can truly heal that block, and you will step above it, and you will gain knowledge from that experience, and that's how we grow. So it doesn't mean that you need to go to an energy therapist. They can help you for sure, but you can be your own energy therapist. At that moment, you will again reprogram your subconscious mind, because you will get so much new knowledge. And new knowledge means also new opportunities. And when our mind, firstly creative mind, find out for new opportunities, if we will apply them into an experience, this experience will go into a subconscious mind to create a new program, because new experience is a new learning lesson, and that will go straight to our subconscious mind. So that's another powerful way we can do it. And now if we go further, like I've explained you conscious designing, how you can consciously design a new program. Now that you're able to consciously rewrite a new program, it means that you will start thinking new thoughts. That will be like an aftermath of reprogramming your subconscious mind. It will be like an outcome of that reprogramming. Like you would change something on your computer, you would like install a new program, and when you will turn on your computer, you will see firstly a new icon on the background. And new icon is like a new thought. But when there's more programs, like program about money, program about relationships, program about my family, program about where I'm able to live, or whatever it is, there's more thoughts about it. And each thought is also connected to a certain emotion, because that's how we are remembering things. We are always remembering things through or with support of our emotions. So whatever we are experiencing, that experience becomes memory from our emotional state. So depends of how we are feeling right now, that's how we will remember this moment. And it can be much easier explained if we think about when we met a certain person which was truly kind, truly beautiful. And every time we think about that person, we feel good and we feel like those happy emotions of joy. But when we think about a person with whom we had negative experience, soon that we will start thinking about that person, we will awaken some negative emotions. And that can be explained how each memory is actually supported by a certain emotion. So the outcome when we start reprogramming our subconscious mind will be new thoughts and new emotions, new feelings. And as we are saying in the videos where I'm talking about how we are manifesting and creating this core vibration or state of being, as Dr. Joe Dispenza is describing this so well, when we connect new thoughts with new feelings, or let's say new thoughts supported by new emotions. New thought can be, like I said before, beautiful house that I want to manifest. And emotion, as I'm already living in that house, it will create a new state of being. And this new state of being will be as I'm already living there. And that state of being will be a state of attracting. This is the most powerful way here. So new thoughts supported with new emotions are creating a new state of being. I draw here this little guy. And new state of being can be explained, as I said, core vibration, the main vibration on which our body is vibrating. And this core vibration is creating this so-called aura, our electromagnetic field around our body. And if this core vibration is based on our new thoughts and new emotions, it means that it will create a new state of attracting. That's why we start attracting new results after we reprogram our subconscious mind. So this is it. That's what you can do. And I would say if you want to change something in your life, that's what you need to do. So this is it for today. Let me know if it was helpful. Write in the comments below what you think about it, and if you have any more questions, I will make a video to answer your questions. So this is it for today. I'm sending you all blessings and love. Have a beautiful day, my friends. Namaste.